We switch on with long press on on button. The ventilator is now in standby mode, in AC ventilation mode, pressure controlled. We should first set up oxygen concentration. Recommended value is 50%. Then we select tidal volume. We can see here the recommended value is 600 milliliters. We confirm with long press. Frequency. The recommended value is 20 bytes per minute. We confirm by pressing enter. Then we go to inspiration time. The recommended value is 1 second, but we can change it. Then we confirm. And we go to inspiration trigger pressure, which should be -2 centimeters of water. We can change it and confirm it. Control pressure, it should be 6 centimeters. We confirm it. Okay, then we go to upper limit of airway pressure. It should be 25 centimeters of water. We confirm it, and then we go to the lower limit of airway pressure. It should be 4 centimeters of water. We confirm it, and now the parameters are chosen. In the manual you will find the recommended parameters for AC mode. That means which body weight has got the patient, which is the depending frequency in bytes per minute, and minute ventilation volume.